What if I tell you that you can write C++ code to use ChatGPT on your CodeBlocks IDE without opening browser? You can use all ChatGPT models, whether it's GPT 3.5 or GPT-4. I did everything with explanations, so you don't have to worry about your C++ skills. You can even use this as your university project. Make sure to watch this complete video and you'll be able to create exact same ChatGPT chatbot. The GitHub link for the MS Word file and the C++ code will be given in the description. I did research for some weeks in order to create this video, so make sure to subscribe, and that's it. Let's get started.
First of all, you have to install Git on your PC. It's easy to install. You just have to simply Control plus click and it will take you to the download page. From here you can download for your operating system. In the second step, you have to open directory or folder in command prompt and then you have to clone this GitHub repo. We will copy this repo. Here we are inside our folder and we will simply right click and open in terminal. Now our terminal is open. We will simply Ctrl V, paste it and click enter. Here it will take some time and download the content. Here you can see that our VC package is downloaded. All the content inside it is downloaded. Now in case you get an error while downloading from here, you can simply go to this link. This link here, you can click it. From this page, you will just have to click the code section and download zip. That's it, and it will download the zip file and you will have to extract it. It will take little long time as compared to this Git. Just in case you get error again and again, you can try to download directly. Now let's move to our third step. We have to navigate to VC package directory. From the terminal, we will write cd VC package. And in the fourth step, we have to run the bootstrap script to build VC package. We will copy and paste it here and then enter. At this point, we can move to the next step. We have to integrate VC package with our environment. Simple, you have to copy paste the code in the terminal. It's seeming long steps, but it will help you use ChatGPT. There was no other way. It's just research of some weeks on this particular video. That's it. Now it's integrated as well with our environment. In these next steps, we have to install libcurl and JSON CPP libraries. Just simple. As always, you have to copy this and you have to paste it here and click enter. Libcurl is installed. In the next step, we will install JSON CPP. Just understand that all of these files, libraries are required for running ChatGPT in C++. Our JSON CPP has also been installed. In the next step, we have to just create C++ project. We will just add one more library in our project and we will do that after a while.
I will tell you easy step for doing that.
For now, we will just create our C++ project in CodeBlocks. So let's go ahead. And our project is created. We will add some files to it still. We will add paths to our CodeBlocks. We'll have to go project, build options, search directories here, include the path for VC package in the search directory. We have to go towards this path. VC package installed x64 Windows and include. Include. We will copy it and we will paste it here. Okay. I know that you must be feeling bored at this point, but trust me, the outcome is amazing. You will love it. Under the Link Libraries tab, add the necessary libraries. We will go to linker settings and here link libraries. We will add the path of libcurl and JSON CPP. And we will copy its path. Here add and we will paste the path. Okay. The next one is JSON CPP. Copy as path. Paste. It's better to remove the double quotes which are here. Done. Add the json.hpp file in your C++ project directory. Now I will tell you something. If you clone this repo, it will take much time. So in order to save the time, we will just go to this link. And here, look, we just need the json.hpp file, right? We will go here and see the json.hpp file. Here it is telling us that single include. Yeah, this one. And then json.hpp. This is the file which we need. So we will just simply download a raw file. We have downloaded the file and we have to add it to our project directory. As you can see, we will go back and this is our project. We will just paste it here and we will change its name to simple json.hpp. That's it. Now we will jump towards the code section. You don't have to remember any of this code. Just simply copy paste. That's all. Because you will most likely not need this anywhere else. This is the code. We will copy all of this. And paste it here. That's it. That's the entire code you need. You don't need anything else. These are just the functions and here you will see that your API key. What it means is that in order to use ChatGPT or any other OpenAI model, you need API key. It is private key and for every person it's separate. I will show you how to get the API key. You will simply go to this link, and then you will do is that create new secret key, and then you can name it anything, and then create. As you can see, my API key has been generated. This has been secret key and it is different for everyone, and you don't use this because obviously I will change it till the time I post this video. That's it. And one last thing, you see here the model GPT 3.5. We are using here ChatGPT 3.5. And I have to tell you one more thing. These are all the different models. You can use ChatGPT 4 as well. And here you can check the pricing of each type of model. I will tell you something. OpenAI gives $5 of free credits. Mine was not working, so I purchased those credits, but yours will most probably work. That's why you should just simply take those credits and create your secret key and use it. No need to purchase unless it's not working at all. And what does token mean? You can say it a single word. Like, it means that for input it will charge $5 per 1 million words you send to GPT. And for output, the amount of words it create, like for 1 million output words, it will charge $15. And these are the prices of OpenAI ChatGPT models. I hope you are understanding till now. We can go to this link also to understand. You can see multiple models here. You can explore all of this yourself. Coming back to our program, I guess we should now run it and check if it's working or not. First of all, we will build the project. Our build was successful. Now we will run it. We will ask something to ChatGPT. What is 5 plus 12? ChatGPT responds 5 plus 12 equals 17. Number of days in a week. There are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now you will see that it has stopped generating from here. Why? Because I have set a limit here, that max tokens 15. Why did I do that? So that I can generate multiple responses, like I can interact with ChatGPT without it waste my resources. You can change it to any size. We can do it to 50 as well. We will close it, and now we will build the project again and run it. Number of days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Name all days of week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now you can see that it's working. 100% our ChatGPT is working with the help of C++ code. Look, it's all C++ code and it's working 100%. If we enter 0 here, it will terminate the program. So yeah, that's it. It took a lot of time for me to understand and create this project, but I was able to do that. And you can also, I told you how to do that. Good luck with that, and make sure that you take your API key from here and don't tell to anyone else. Otherwise, if you have purchased some tokens, then they will be gone. You can check the usage from here as well. As you can see, I have $120 limit since the time I have purchased it. That's how I have used. We can also try any different model as we have told you. Let's try the latest ChatGPT model and see if that model works. Look, our ChatGPT 4.0 is also working. I'm just a computer program, so I don't have feelings. Tell me about variables in C++. In C++, a variable is a storage location in memory that is given an associated name, an identifier. This storage location can hold a value which can be modified during the execution of a program. Variables play a central role in programming because 50 words must have been completed. That's why it has stopped generating new response. And this was ChatGPT 4, which we have literally used right now. I hope that you are successfully able to do that. And in case any error occurs, comment that error and I will help you with that. I would surely love to see you guys doing something different with programming. And if this video has helped you in increasing your knowledge, then do subscribe NeuroCode because it's my dream to teach programming.